Have you ever wondered why some men stay on a woman's mind long after the conversation is over, while others are forgotten almost instantly? It isn't always because they're more attractive. It isn't because they're richer. And it definitely isn't because they use clever pickup lines. More often than not, it's the little things, the quiet moments, the thoughtful gestures, the subtle behaviors that make someone feel genuinely seen, respected, and comfortable. Ironically, these are the very things most men never think about. Today, we're breaking down 7 small behaviors that many women genuinely appreciate, the kind of actions that can strengthen emotional connection and leave a lasting positive impression. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final point is surprisingly simple, yet it often has the biggest impact. 1. Helping her feel relaxed. Most people think attraction begins with impressing someone. In reality, emotional connection often begins with making someone feel comfortable. Imagine she's had a long, stressful day. Instead of trying to entertain her or solve every problem, you simply help create a calm environment. Maybe you offer a gentle shoulder massage if it's welcome. Maybe you sit beside her, listen, and let her unwind. That simple act communicates something powerful. Your comfort matters to me. People rarely forget how someone made them feel. And feeling emotionally safe is one of the strongest foundations of any relationship. 2. Playful confidence. There's a huge difference between trying too hard and simply enjoying the conversation. Light-hearted teasing, playful humor, and genuine confidence create positive emotions, not because you're performing, but because you're relaxed. Someone who can laugh, joke naturally, and make another person smile often becomes far more memorable than someone who's constantly trying to impress. Confidence isn't about saying the perfect thing. It's about making interactions feel effortless. 3. Gentle affection. Affection doesn't have to be dramatic. Sometimes the smallest gestures say the most. A gentle touch on the hand, brushing a strand of hair away, if it's welcome, holding hands during a quiet walk. These moments communicate warmth without needing words. Of course, every person has different comfort levels. The key is paying attention to her boundaries and making sure the affection is welcomed. When it is, these simple gestures can strengthen emotional closeness. For the quiet gesture that says, "I've got you." Picture yourselves walking through a crowded place. Without making a big deal about it, you gently guide her through the crowd with a reassuring hand on her back. It's not about control. It's about awareness. It's a small way of saying, "I'm paying attention. We're in this together." Often, it's these tiny moments, not expensive gifts, that people remember. 5. Being calm when life gets difficult. Everyone looks confident when life is easy. Character shows up when things become difficult. If something goes wrong, if plans fall apart, if someone behaves disrespectfully, your response matters. Remaining calm instead of reacting emotionally creates trust. People naturally feel closer to someone who stays steady during stressful moments. Being dependable isn't about being the strongest person in the room. It's about becoming the person others can rely on. 6. Showing that she occupies your thoughts. Everyone likes feeling important. Sometimes, mentioning a funny memory, sharing something that reminded you of her, or telling her about an interesting dream she appeared in can make someone feel genuinely valued. Not because you're trying to impress her, but because it naturally shows she has a place in your mind. The key is authenticity. Forced compliments fade quickly. Genuine moments stay much longer. 7. Taking care of yourself. Many people spend so much time trying to become attractive that they forget the basics. Looking clean, smelling good, wearing clothes that fit well, taking care of your hair, looking healthy. These things don't require wealth. They simply communicate self-respect. And people who respect themselves often earn respect from others. Real attraction isn't about perfection. It's about showing that you value yourself. Bonus: the hug people never forget. Think about the best hug you've ever received. It probably wasn't the longest or the strongest. It simply felt genuine. A sincere hug can communicate warmth, reassurance, affection, and emotional connection without saying a single word. Years later, people often forget conversations. They forget gifts, but they remember how someone made them feel. Sometimes one genuine embrace is more than 100 perfectly chosen words. The biggest lesson from today's video is this. The things that create the strongest emotional connections are rarely loud or dramatic. They're usually quiet, respectful, thoughtful, and consistent. Real attraction isn't built through tricks or manipulation. It's built through trust, emotional safety, confidence, and genuine care for another person. The smallest actions often leave the biggest impressions. So the next time you're wondering how to become more memorable, don't focus on trying to impress. Focus on making the people around you feel comfortable, respected, and appreciated. That's what people remember long after the moment is over.